Hey, hey, we're at the we're at the Jersey Dairy. Diggy, what's wrong? We're gonna go see some animals. Do you want to go pet some animals?
Yes, pigs. Do you think they have any camels here?
Camels? What does a camel do? What's a camel do? Can we get a thumbs up for being at the dairy farm? Mom's happy. Do you want to go get some cheese curds? We'll go to the information center.
Okay, let's go see the goats.
All right, let's go see the goats. Where are we going? Where are we going to see?
A goat.
Okay. Come on, Mom. Come on. Do we have any quarters? Oh, look. We got goats. What do you think?
More.
Yeah?
More.
More what?
More.
Yeah?
More.
Oh, here comes Mom. Yeah, Mom can fit.
Lunchtime for them, huh? For dinner and breakfast.
Little baby. Hey, Diggy, look at little baby right there.
More.
Baby.
More what?
More.
Yeah. Little cow. Little cow. It's a little cow.
More.
What's a cow do?
More.
What? What's a cow do?
More.
No. Over here. Hey. What's a cow say?
More.
Mo? Mo?
More.
What's a goat say? What's a goat say?
Yes.
Yes? No, what? Bah. No.
Down.
Yeah? Oh, good job. Oh, do you look at the baby goats? Hey, look at the baby goats over there. Was that a sneeze?
More.
Okay.
More.
Okay. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah?
More.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, the cows.
Let's go check on the little guy. How's the little guy today? Oh, head's all cocked sideways. Hey, Teague. All right, Diggy, where are we going?
Where are we going now? Look at those big
Tires. Come on. Let's go look at those tires.
big tractors this way. Let us go first.
Let's go. Let's go check out those tires. Go. Let me see you get on those tires. Go.
Tires?
Come on. I wonder if we can walk down that way. Let's go.
Well, can I to that first?
Sure. Come on, come on. Ah, come on, come on. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Can I get a 5?
More.
Oh, what are those? Come here.
Whoa. Oh.
Yep, here, ready? All right. Hey. What cut? No. What color is that? What color? Okay. What color is that? What color? Good job. All right. What color is that? No. What color is that? Right here. What color is this? Right here.
Whoa.
Good job. What color is that? Yeah. What color is that? What color? Good job. Look who it is. Look who it is. All right, you ready? Hey. Ooh. Hey, where are we?
Down.
Huh? We're gonna see. What are we gonna go see?
Down.
Yeah. Nice. Who did we come with today? Yeah. Oh, come here. Hey, over here. Come here, Dick. Oh, man. Look at these things. All right, right there. Yep. Hey, no. Come here. I'll hold you.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Diggy, look at
Hey,
mommy.
Dig, look.
Look at the cow.
Whoa, say whoa. Look at him eat, Dig. That's crazy. Say hi.
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 And test.
Yeah.
And
Ew. Muddy. Oh, what's that?
Not too close. Come on.
Hey. Yeah, we don't want to get too close. No, don't touch the fence. Hey. Who you saying hi to? Baby.
What did you say? You push. Oh my goodness, this was a big thing to push. It's a little harder than
And there, good job, Diggy.
Wow.
Pushing the stroller with Mom. manual labor.